I'm gonna show you how to how to assemble. Let's check it out what is new in Ikea 2020. Let's go. I'm gonna show you a few showrooms and gonna try to find the new things what they put it on, so you can get some inspiration for your home decoration. Start with the first showroom, which is bedroom. Darker colors. This is the Ikea unit here for £265 with the bottom unit. Normala, which is £150. This is new darker material. Looks kind of cool. With the bed and lamps. Bathroom. Round mirror, Stockholm, £75 with the bottom unit. Under the sink. Of course without the legs for easier cleaning. Very practical. This one is Godmorgon Tolkien. Sorry, I'm gonna butcher these names probably, but it's quite hard to pronounce them, as we all know. Let's check it out. There's slim units on the wall. Exactly the same range. Godmorgon, and this one is £55. In a row here, just next to the mirror. This seems like a Pax wardrobes, yes, with the lights on the top, and doors are, you don't see those before. They have kind of these triangle patterns here. Canvas doors, yes, yeah, that's a Pax wardrobe. I think everyone is familiar with those. Let's check it out what is in other showrooms. I'm gonna try to avoid the people, so I'm not gonna be interrupted here. Okay, this one is slightly lighter room. Just with the simple shelving, I kind of like those open shelves. This is Ivar for £94. Just simple units with the open space. Exactly the same on the other side, and on the middle we got a table. The linen top with the legs, yes. The bed Tarva, £115. I kind of like this Ivar side unit here. It's just £16 and you can hang your stuff over here. Pretty cool. You can reposition it wherever you want it. Very practical. Oh, this is actually a big kitchen unit here on this side. Like those open shelvings here, instead of the units you've got those metal shelves here. All your plates and the glasses up there. Conscious Force is £200 for, I think it's gonna be the whole units. Kitchen table. Ekaden, £250. This long table. Got those Elbar units here. Open space, and you can customize the drawers, shelves, whatever you like here. If you like the open units, this is kind of cool combination. This one here is £410. Elbar units. Check it out here. Okay, this is a living room space. I think this is the best unit. It's already customizable, so you can position them the way you want it. Vesta units. This is the old style pop-up mechanisms here, and of course without the legs, it's open space with the lights under it. This is here. Lindhood, 1040 pound. Let's check it out the other side here. We have Ikea units. I think those, they have the new pop-up mechanisms here. Yeah. See here, this is the new type of pop-ups here. So just close. And you don't need door handles, which is very cool. I prefer them like this, just without the door handles. And this unit is 557 pounds. I think that would be for the whole lot here. Drawers. You see how they connected here. It's different than the usual unit. They connected with the corners here. Okay, we got the chairs here. Bed bowl. 5 black armchairs, 229 pounds. Okay, let's check out the other rooms here. Few kitchen corners here. Kitchen island. Small kitchen units here. 3 down, 3 up. And the living room here. With a strand chair for 229 pounds. The chair with coffee table. You can see this coffee table before too. 400 pounds. Sorry, 45 pounds. Married tray table. Star unit with the sliding door at the bottom. And the top unit. Let's check out the other side. We have here tray stand, coffee table, small frame, Bjork Nas, 229 pounds for this bed frame. Kids space here with the bed and the Stua units on the side. Next one is like a storage space here, small storage space here with the shelving, Aglot shelving units. Combination price 117 pounds for this unit here. You have to mount it on the wall. And thrones unit for the shoe cabinet, all plastic. Don't like that much though. Okay, this is interesting doors for the Ikea pack sliding doors. It's kind of cork material. Looks interesting. Didn't see this one before. And of course the Ikea packs wardrobe inside with all the adjustable interiors. Lovely units here. And we're entering the sofas now. Let's see if there is something new here. Strand one, 199 pounds for this chair. Got the assembly on this one. Footstool with the storage, and you have them all possible colors what you can get on this one. So they are around 200 pounds, 250 pounds. I see the bottom one here, and the footstools. I think there is a space. Yeah, storage space. The footstools is 65 pounds. And the strand mounts, they everything from 199 to 250 pounds. Small strand mount, 99 pounds. Decor. Okay, let's check it out. The other sofas here. Don't see anything new on this side. Okay, this is a flower sofa. But I'm still not sure if that would be something what I would like. There it is. Chairs, sofas here. Is it bill combination, bill bookcases? Few sofas. This is kind of the wooden sides. Okay. Remsta chair. Armchair. Remsta, £130. Let's see if there is something new. We got all kind of combination on a point chairs here. £90 right now. Here's the footstool as well. And we have another showroom here. We'll check it out. What we have? Extending table here. Ingator, £129. Can extend it from the both sides. Metal tray here. Alaska, £39. Small table for a lamp. £70. And again, extending table here, extending coffee table, £110. Yeah. This one can extend the sides here, and got a small drawer here as well. I think on the other side as well, probably. Let's check it out. Yes. No. It doesn't. Okay. Then we have Hemnes units here on this side, £115. It's kind of bookshelves here from Hemnes. So for here, Hector, £229. It's not new, I think. Let's check out the other showroom here. Just kind of shelving units here. Maybe this is for a garden. Let's see, greenhouse, small greenhouses, £12. Chair, again £35. Kitchen corner here. Interesting open shelving on one side. And this is like kitchen space with the open table on both sides, £199. Game ready. Halsta, £535 for this unit. Chairs, sofas. Let's check out the other side. And this is it for a part 1. See you in part 2 tomorrow. Have a fantastic day.